Have you ever felt lost in words? Like you want to speak, but the words hide behind silence. One evening, I walked through a quiet library. The lights were dim, and the air smelled of old pages and dreams. And then I saw it, a door. It wasn't like the others. It was small, wooden, and had words carved all over it. I stepped closer and read the words aloud. Each one felt alive, like they wanted to tell me something. The door whispered, "Every word is a world." And when you learn a new one, you open another world inside you. I smiled and touched the door handle. It was cold but gentle, like the beginning of a new thought. When I opened it, a warm light filled the room, and in that light, I saw people from everywhere, speaking, laughing, learning together. They weren't perfect. They made mistakes, but their eyes were full of courage because they tried. And that's when I understood. Learning English isn't just about grammar or rules. It's about connection, meaning when people understand each other. It's about expression, meaning showing your thoughts and feelings. It's about opening a door, meaning finding new chances and experiences. So, next time you learn a new word, don't just remember it, feel it. Say it with life. Imagine what door it might open for you. Because behind every word, there's a new version of you, waiting to speak, to grow, to connect. And maybe, my friend, that's the real magic of language. The door between words is the door between hearts.